You're holding it up so high. Your video's gonna look funny. I think that was the one that was leaking.
This one too. Now.
They're pretty. Are they what you thought they would be?
Yeah.
Little feisty buggers.
Hey everyone, this is Eric with Furloughs Aquatics. Just wanted to show you guys the new fish I got in today. These are Lake Victorian Haps. They are the Flamebacks, or the Nererai, or however you pronounce it. These are my new breeding project. I'm going to be breeding these to try to, you know, kind of flood the hobby over here, because there's not a very big demand for Lake Victorians around here. You don't see them that much, so I want to change that. Now I know I'm just kind of small potatoes compared to some other people, but you know, this is something I've been wanting to do and finally doing it. As you can see, these guys are doing very well from just being out of the bags only probably about 5 or 6 hours ago. We did have a couple of the bags that had small leaks in them, but didn't seem to affect the fish very much. And I don't think it was due to anything Imperial Tropicals did as far as packaging. I mean, their packaging was spot on. But yeah, so these guys are, we've got, let's see, we've got 1 male and 6 females in here. And I'm hoping to get a nice little breeding colony going on here. As you can see, that's the male in the back there. You can see he's got a little bit of the red on his top. He'll color up a lot more once he gets more comfortable in the tank. And we got all the females video bombing here. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for checking this out. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, because I will be posting more videos as the process continues, and hopefully I'll get to show y'all some breeding. And, thank you guys, and y'all have a great night.